So important to be around people who are loving and kind, and they are yearning for righteousness. They want to also become like the Creator in quality. Because when you are, or I am, in that place where I feel darkness, these are the people who will take you out of it, because they will pray for you. And then something miraculous will happen. Your heart will change, like I experienced this morning. I know something has happened. And at that point, I recognize that God is merciful, God is loving, God is soft, God is gracious, God is all this superfluous quality. Nothing like me.